gentlemen. I'm Lوکاتی جۆزێف. I'm a thoracic surgeon working here in Europe. I'm really excited to invite you to the second session of the thoracic outlet syndrome, organized in Iraq, in Slemania, in a couple of days. I'm excited to co-organize this session with my friend Dr. Femi from Slemania in Iraq. So it will be a special occasion for us to discuss about this special nosological entity that my dear friend Dr. Femi likes to call it a no-fun disease for the sake of our patients. So, waiting for you there in Iraq in a couple of days ago. See you soon.